Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Inspire 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smartband by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your smartband, make sure that the battery level on it is at least above 30%. So let's wake up the screen on our smartband, swipe up on the screen, and as you can see our battery is 92%, so we can continue. If your battery is below 30%, please charge your device, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your smartband. Okay, let's continue with the reset. So first, you will need to wake up the screen on your smartband. And you can do it by pressing the buttons on the side of the smartband or by tapping on the screen twice, like this. Once you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to scroll through the menu and keep scrolling until you find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. Now, in settings, scroll down, find the option called Clear User Data, and tap on it to confirm, or rather to enter. So let's tap on it. And now we need to press and hold on the screen for 3 seconds to confirm. So press and hold on the screen, keep holding. You will see this animation on the screen, keep holding until your device basically resets. And let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this on the screen, this message and the animation, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.